Hello guys and welcome to our first gaming episode in this new game, this old game rather for me. It's called Drive Ahead guys, if you don't know, and today we're doing a truck challenge. So if you can see, every single one of these is a truck. You can see, so yeah, I don't know, yeah, but everything, single one of them is a tractor or truck. So we're going to be going to the robot one day again. It says that. So when we're playing, yeah, I'm still a guest, but I feel bad. I need to get medicine. So, okay, so we just need to have a win. So that's it. We need a win. That's basically it. That's basically it. We should win in this battle. That's basically it. Okay. So enjoying the video so far though. Just smash that juicy like button, okay, and subscribe button. Or else you know what's gonna happen at your door at midnight. You might hear knocking. So don't risk you hearing knocking at night. So please just subscribe. Okay, there we go. Robin will win after in the first game, dude. If you do win now. Yeah, there's no chance for this episode. Oh shit. No, no, no! I win, dude. Let's go. I win 3 games in a row though, so let's play. Oh no, whenever it's like, when I saw that back, I was like, oh shit. Oh! Oh my god, how were the bike so strong? You truck can't defeat this shit. Damn, he just zoomed into my ass. He zoomed into my ass. Oh shit, I'm about to die, No, I want this video to be long, guys. I didn't want to be short. Oh my god. Anyway, so what is hard in this dude? Like 3 in a row. This is my second game anyway. Bro, he got washed down the drain, dude. Got washed down the drain. Oh shit. There we go. Oh, beat that guy's ass. Screw this. Dude. I'm gonna go. Shit. 3 in a row, dude. That was easy. GG, dude. That was easy, GG. So if you guys enjoyed the video though, please leave a like, subscribe guys. I'm gonna get some rewards, I guess. I gotta get them rewards, you know what I mean? Like, did I claim all them rewards? This was a very short video again. I hope you guys enjoyed the video though, so if you did, please subscribe guys. Subscribe and I'll be seeing you guys in the next episode.